Hi, Ryan Gorman, CEO of NRC. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. Any questions you have for me, or you want to talk a little bit about virtual tours?
Yes. What are your thoughts on virtual tours for your company?
I think in general virtual tours are terrific. I'd like to see the evolution of that to create an easier customer experience and a more delightful agent experience. So agents can invest more of their time helping customers to understand what's differentiated about the property, the neighborhood, and the overall transaction as well as the town, and not spend quite as much time with the individual examination in the home, because really they've gotten a very good look and feel for it prior to even visiting the home. So I think it's a great technology for saving consumers time, saving agents time, and then ultimately making sure that consumers make the best possible decision for themselves.
Ryan, do you think that these kinds of solutions, 3D, 360 tours, help agents get more listing presentations?
I think agents being able to demonstrate their value quite clearly to their consumer base helps them to differentiate themselves and to ultimately generate more value and generate more customers. So this could be the 3D as well as individual technologies could be one of those things that an agent uses very well, explains to the consumer extremely well, and leverages in a way that is understandable to the consumer. If they do that, then it can absolutely grow their business.
And where do you think we are on the timeline for 3D VR tours?
I think it's very early. I think the technology itself is very good. There can be a lot better, I think, ease of use and ease of implementation. But I think the consumer awareness and usage of that, as well as the mobile technology to be able to have the full experience, is still has a ways to go. Though I will say it's moving very quickly. So we may be a matter of months, not years, away from a much better place.
Great.